I'm going to have happy. But all the one I hear, Lord, you know, because in the book we hear now, on your side, you will buy taking shoes, join your card. Give me comment because you got to go by you. You got a good on your head, Lord.
Okay, Mbalenya, the same eye, the same anya ahụ ka m ji ele ọ bụ ma egbu onye Igbo ọbụla especially onye Igbo aka ya dị ọcha. I will never be happy. During the time of this Operation Python dance that lingered to all of these things, go and check my page. I complained. I was angry. During the repatriation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu into this country, I was angry because he follow due process. He follow due process and lift any citizen back to this country. I will not be against you. You know why? I takes my time to study and understand the law. And it was very recently I started having the thought to, while you still read and stick to the circulation of your own private or your safe country owned law, also consider that of other people. And there are international standards to everything we think as human. You get what I'm saying? But that doesn't mean, hold on, sir. At the same time, I will never come joke my brother. Obonnam de Kanu mere establish, because many people are forcing me to start talking the angle they may not like, and I'm not afraid to say anything. No, Obonnam de Kanu, Obuyanwa mere ignite this kidnapping. This guy is in as of today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ogade happy. Nnamdi Kanu ogade happy in his conscience that villages are being deserted. Na na-eji truck na bruzozo our people galie at the detriment of certain ignorance of people being more here. My brother, will he be happy?
Of course, I will not be happy. But tell me,
no, Ajugange, will he be happy? Will he be happy, sir?
I will not be happy.
I say, will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be happy? Will he be happy where he is hearing this kind of things? Will he be happy?
No, he cannot be happy.
Then I have another question. I have another question for you. I have another question for you. I will do my best. I'm trying how I can do my best because I want to be on live on Radio Biafra. I wish I can talk there because I want to ask the leadership questions. And whenever they're on live program, this is your number, I will save it. Whenever they're on live program, please inform me. I want to call India because I have questions to ask. These things that are going on today in Okigwe and Ihube, has the what do they call them? The leadership of the IPOB, have they been able to say something? Have they condemned it? Have they called these boys to order and tell them that we are not with you?
It cannot be easy for them to call them because they are not the people championing the something. The governors are the ones who planted those boys.
The governors?
The collection center, where it was broke. Are you listening to me? Was broke. And today, those that broke the collection centers are not held responsible. And the government said nothing about it. Then, is it IPOB that broke the collection center? The answer is no. So,
okay. The people who broke the correctional center, is it a political? Was that a political outing?
The governor of Imo State, who opposed Odemma, should be held responsible. He knows the people that broke the collection center. He have hand in it.
How will the state governor? How is it possible for a state governor? My brother, think about this thing. Any state where they break prison, there will definitely be insecurity there.
In the same community or in the same state, such person don't supposed to be a governor. But we allow such thing to happen.
What are we going to do? My brother, Lanya, Obo Fort Ndimo. Abo Fort Ndimo. Ndimo is not supposed to be paying for that. Imo State elected whom they wanted. And the Supreme Court said that thing is wrong. That they don't okay it. The Supreme Court, the highest court of the land, dissolved the administration of Right Honorable Meki Hedioha. Me, I am from Ngobala. Emeki Hedia is close to me. In fact, he's my leader. I am not happy, but all the same, Emeka swallowed it. He kept quiet. Was he supposed to say no? The governor of Rivers State, Sibilaye Fubara, all of us saw what happened.
The reason is because you have said a lot of things which in getting them together, I try to answer them one by one. The reason is that the Emeki you are supposed to protest against such things that happened. But the situation of the country, where we call a country, don't even allow civil disobedience, which we witnessed what happened at the NSAS. How many are we going to count? We know what this problem is all about. Understand me? I am speaking from one direction that what the Igbos will do will make Nigerian government or British and other allies they have be submissive. In one voice, as it stands today, if not Nnamdi Kanu, there is no other person in Ala Igbo that can even represent Igbos anywhere around the world. We have Igbo World Congress in America. You know what they stand for. It is the government, or should I say the British, from such. We have Wahala and they are doing nothing. We know the truth. My brother,
another question to ask you, brother. I want to ask you, where are you from? Iwonye Besa.
Where am I from? If I should count Imo State, I would say I'm from Imo State.
But you will like Iwonye Imo, just as I took your village or your name.
I'm from Imo State. That is why I said
your village. Do you have a house?
I am from Imo State.
You have a building in your own village, right?
Presently, I have none.
Okay, Abala compound or no?
No.
Compound on Kakubodi, right? Okay. Now, what moves are you making to stop these things that are currently going on in Imo State? Now, let's say that the leadership of the IPOB does not know these people doing these things, right?
Yeah, they must have heard what is going on.
Have they declared? Have they? Just help me with this information. Have they distanced themselves from these boys committing these things in Imo State? Have they done that?
Of course, they have done such.
Okay, so
from the beginning.
So I have the right to call these people doing these things criminals, right?
Of course, they are criminals.
Okay.
They are criminals.
So
IPOB never stands for anything against our people.
Okay.
Anything against our people.
Okay, then I also want to ask you something, because these ones are unknown gunmen, right? And they are not the Eastern Security members of the Eastern Security Network, right?
No, they are not anything called Eastern Security.
Okay, what?
Network. They are never.
Okay,
even
what?
No unknown gunmen.
What stops?
Organized criminals.
What stops the Eastern Security Network from confronting these people on behalf of our people?
My brother, this is not exactly their job.
Okay, this is not their job.
Waging the Fulanis.
Will they? Why you are waging the Fulanis? You are waging the Fulanis. Good job. But while waging the Fulanis, our brothers, some of our brothers are now ravaging the whole place. Those people who protect us against Fulani people. Are you not supposed to go back and confront those people?
Dear brother, I believe you have listened to what Soludo said in America, not quite long. This is part of the agenda. They have to look for evidence to back up what they have said. I want you to reason in that direction and understand how this government, or should I say political error views are going on. Because they want to, they kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, hoping that they will build evidence by themselves in order to, label against him. But all these things has failed. It has failed woefully. So they are still, trying to do something good in order to help themselves from their life.
My brother, my brother, Thank you very much. But the gospel truth is that you must work together with Igbo. You must work together with Imo State. All of us must come up together. Since these guys are not, they are not sent by Mazen Nandekano, I expect the leadership of the IPOB to deal with them decisively. I expect them to deal with these guys decisively, because what is going on in Imo State, I am telling you that they go in hundreds na truck. Ghana Wufushim, Ozumaka, you can't even select or differentiate it. You understand? So everybody, Tiyaka.
Yeah, don't be offended. Then what if government hand is not in it? Then what are they doing to stop it? What? They are not doing anything.
The government, see, my brother, my next response now will be on this live on this live camera. So let me drop your own call, because many people are calling me. We'll have you here some other time. Now listen to me, everyone. When the people unite against the government begins to fight against the people, and they cannot differentiate it. They cannot differentiate between the good and the bad, because look at how these military men operate. This is just in their wisdom. If it is you, you will also do the same thing. When they come into a community and discovers that even the person selling fruit at the junction is an informant and could give information that the militaries are coming, while they are crossing, walking into a particular place to go and combat these guys, the person selling pineapple at the junction will give information, and these boys will lay ambushes against they will lay ambush against the military and wipe them off. So if the military is coming back again, what are they going to do? They will face everyone in that square. Hello? Yes. I am on live section. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? All right, go ahead.
Okay. Governor, I got you why I had to give you my
yes.
Possible I to give my
yes.
Water. Kailapo in our you agree. The truth have been there for us to see. And I am going to name my here. The audio leak of Gento, but I say that almost Ozi. See an against in the Gabia by Yaga, one in Zogo. Naga, one daga, Atias, non flat berry take over the distant guy, release for your Bobundaga. Please, that can you also add the Quereno Gento, Papa Dora, they sit on your game and dark on the okay with you. See, I could Oga, you also I will need the man. And the all this name I will bundibu. And they make all this I will bundibu the foolish. Why can't I will bundibu? Now hear him or key with Gachika on Onandoso, Bidurunga on that day. Also, baby, each punch is you, everybody's IPOP, ESN, Bidro, their own bunch. They back Yinasi, Sibido. It takes them a long time. Those you put up because you are called Maria de Mara, the criminals, IPOP ESN. That is nothing like a Mundo to Simon. That is nothing like a Mundi, Biafra Depression Army. All this are IPOP ESN. These people are the people that they can't create in an Igbo. No missing, nothing like this, and I think the ESN we are making, or I don't think the US we are. This thing are one people. Calapina Abas, you as you own Abasiaba. Ia be the Kitabu Dibu. They game make access this boys don't even more and none can be able. Brainwash Asana and have Biafra, in which the Biafra is not coming anywhere. How can we push these guys out? How can we educate our people? That can any information open up for Muslim point even then can follow the state government can work with the police forces. Any information or also any information about with IPOP camp in their community. This is what will be educating our people, not this IPOP brainwash non-entities. Got put out online. And I have said that in an or the ESN DJ. No, but one day unknown government. Look at what people. So are you telling fools That's na I wabun di wa yabono ife. Na yabono na ndi na acho pa yi anu abunde IPOP ESN. They are all the same. All one on you more ha put outside ajo kendi de me ya. We all know them. Before Oda Bundi Bukitana, before I asked not the Frani, no Frani, why, no Frani. Without knowing, this is always when I shot the Frani, no how I would do all those things. Without the audio link of that gentle, I want that, I know how about that Frani, why, yeah. I want Bundi Wana to Soji, but I buy because of criminal elements. Now I fight for Biafra. And it's right time I was Bundi Buki, Bidokose, this savior mentality. No would you get Putabura is savior. Because this is how our people believe that Nan Karugabura is savior. Nan Karu created the monsters. The same thing applied to Simon Ekpa also. Ndi boy want to go to go find how my I prefer Simon Ekpa criminals. Nagabura is savior. A mayor prime minister of Biafra in exile. Ujina, how about these guys? Today, Igbo is no Korea. With another one, who go buy the make campaign. All these ladies take over no one America Kebono. Never ya me ya heba. Oh, never could state quote or your someone within the DOS, with all of them are criminals. It's right time we start calling them a spare. Wouldn't they get the good among them? All these agitators, all go buy what because I actually anything agitators na Igbo. When you agitation, ya na been near me agitator. I found it Igbo criminal and the Karusi potata. No, there is nothing like sit at home there. Today, what today almost sit at home. Go to Afari Igbo. Business is move from that place, huh? But Ghana also you talk. Go to our go to here, go to Iseke. Iseke is no go area of today. And they put out on this dog, Eba, or Banka, and they put you, hear them in an Igbo, can hear them in a not, as it stands of today. But people are not hearing it out. When you walk because of the criminals, not the kind of people. Also, you walk, but the content creators, I admire your courage, it's good. Can't put one Igbo like this, can't put an Igbo back. He can't get work here. Work here, he didn't fight since. It's okay. Let us study. We can't fight these people to the last. There is no good among them. All those agitators are the criminals. They are the bandits. They are the terrorists we have in Igbo land. None of them are good. If you want to agitate, join a political party and agitate for your grievances. Not non-state actors. Igbo. If you want to agitate, look at the way you agitated. You are into political aspect of it. This is how to agitate. No state actors should not agitate in Igbo land. That is what we should stand on. That is the only way we can get it. Any non-state actor agitators are terrorists. They are criminals. Let us call it out. Let us call it spare a spare. Can I let people do mistake? This Nnamdi and their group may not Igbo. Because without the car of today, I am a mere as an ESN and unknown government. Because when this unknown government we are doing the atrocities, the car was praising them. He was calling them God bless unknown government. He never condemned them for once. The same thing you are saying that you want to go and talk in Ledo Biafra. What are you going to talk there they don't know about? They knows everything. Okay, let me ask you. When Nnamdi was coming to court, when Simon Ekpa was outside doing all those things, have Nnamdi called Simon Ekpa in order? Call Simon Ekpa in order? Or tell him that I don't know Simon Ekpa. He never says anything like that anywhere. When Nnamdi, when they caught Simon Ekpa now, when they are doing all those bosses are doing all this, does it mean that Nnamdi lawyer have not message Marco have not tell Nnamdi about the authorities of IPOP ESN in Igbo land? He knows everything. Have Nnamdi said that I have dissolved anything like ESN in Igbo land or this IPOP ESN in Igbo? No. Have Nnamdi lawyer message Marco come out and condemn Gento, since Gento are making all those atrocities that he said that he arrested the reason and kind of time. Have message Marco come out and condemn Gento and say, Gento, stop saying this against Nandikaro, or we don't know you. Nandikaro say that you don't know you. Have a message Marco say anything concerning that? No. That will show you that they are working together, because Nandikaro have told them, let them be firing up, because Nandikaro don't have any conscience on that. He said that let them be firing up so that he can come out fastly. He thinks that by killing, by those spying, by all those things, he will come out fast, very fast. That is why he never condemned them. That is why he never condemned someone. But let us not guide this smart. Guide this smart. This guy is playing, you know, this criminal, the Cordon and the Caro, he's playing Igbos. It's right time we start condemning him. He's playing Igbos. He's playing with our lives. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to put something straight here. While we blame Nnamdi Kanu, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, I want to also blame the then Southeast governors. With all due respect, I would have insulted them also now, but I will not do so. You know why? You know why I will also blame them now? After they had meeting with this man in Enugu, why did you people resolve to Operation Python dance? Hello? Governor Ezeoku is my name. I'm on live session. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Go ahead.
Last call, brother.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Thank you.
My response I got to this last call, and I shout Nnamdi Kanu criminal, Nnamdi Kanu not criminal. The other day in a program that was like say 3 days ago concerning here I called you also.
Okay.
I condemn that. On one you guys will be there, my money stage. On one you guys will be there, my name na Ala Igbo. Even as current now, one agana a banner ball umudike a bobo kigwe. Right now, this morning I'm not working now.
Umudike now.
Umudike a bobo na ndị amị nọ there na na-elut akụkụ ụlọ mmadụ ebukọrọ property. This morning.
Which side?
Now.
Na
Umudike abobo kigwe. There's war right now there. It's okay to call confirm. From
village. I don't have anybody there. Can you tell anybody to call us from there?
I don't want to say about because many of them are not follow this year.
Just to give them number. Just give anybody number there. I did like to hear from somebody there.
Okay. I'll try to do that. Then for my calling, this very guy now shouts now. He name here. Here Alain Kanatu. Always when the beginning of this matter. Hey, what? When IPOP was, they buried their flag at the Gary. And I only be flag about boy. This guy on a phone now, Nnamdi Kanu video, Nnamdi Kanu will know she would with him. Didn't go against government that time. And when the platform on up, and I said, here and the government name man. Now these people are the source of flag at Gary. Yeah, man, the other government I don't care. Only Hilbu. I will can by now. Nnamdi Kanu will kill it because also on the team bar and they buried source of flag. Honey, Buare. I'm just what I tell them like that small. So now it happened that he also had to get here for years. Okay, ESN Nnamdi creator ESN can be the mother. No. Okay, and bring security be the bad on I wanna complain and he wouldn't demand any more on a lot. He created that. Okay, he even begged our governors. Kahati never dama took when we're going to have Yoruba land. There was some Islam waiting on Ghana or their own. So now why can't our governor to create their own? Call at the whole state when security na guide the hand. The governor guy because of Hana Rachan didn't do weekend. Hana worship in the Fulani. They did not do that. Here is Rag create here to against the ESN. Ever all these problems you are linking up, but also when they put this side, I need to upon a phone. Look at the whole name the Kalakai, the Kali, Roman cause, a man cause. None the Ghana plan this kind of name, but not what you go there. You got able that, or when the guy did do matter now. The other day, organization, I open up city. This Umama people are now on the mother. That is our villagers are born here, wouldn't happen. I said it openly that day. Everybody against them. Now,
I have a question. I for you.
Yes, sir.
I try as much as I can not to be biased here, not to be one-sided. I promised God. A few days ago, my dad called me and he felt bad. He was like talking to me. He said, if you must continue, you must be very civil. Make sure you remain before the truth.
Yes.
Now, I have a question I want to ask you.
Ask me, sir.
This boy is killing Nebugasi people now. Where did they start from? Can you just answer me exactly? Where did they start from? Where did these thoughts?
The question now has started in the name of IPOB.
Okay. So at what point were they being mismanaged? They lost control. Can you tell me at the point exactly where they lost control? They now resorted to have a kidnap from mother gadosa ni more here. Do you know that any atom of a kidnap only Igbo is a deliberate act against the entire Igbo nation?
Okay, let me answer you, sir. The first problem bidoro nke Igbo ndị uwe government. Nke a bidoro by oge gọọmenti na-eme ndị nke uwe ha na-eme ha ejide anybody ha jidere atag onye ha IPOB gbuo. Then but ebe this problem nke imewezi nke ịba n'ime ọhịa awụzi how much ha nobody like the reason why this guy was putting in no one name the Kanu did have with that thing. Here was here decide is on their own, which everybody is condemning them.
Okay, those guys decided that one on their own, right?
They are doing this thing on their own. So this guy now should not put name the Kanu on that.
Okay.
That was all my anger.
Okay, that's your point. Okay,
yes.
That's very, very good. I also understand and in the open, I also the fact that our governors also mismanaged the situation. The then governors, because about how many of them are Pola Noche? It's only Imo that is remaining.
Yes.
Those are Pochala Noche. So they contributed to it. So
for this problem, thank you, sir.
That is why in my prayers before the altars of the Shanamite, I still repeat that Obrun anybody, money no government, money no power, or anybody from the other side, whom is part and parcel of this thing, mysteriously their end will come.
Remember that.
So you see that having said that, right now the major thing now is another question I want to ask you actually is this. Shebi our people now to go before to sponsor anything the IPOB is doing genuinely, right?
Yes.
And it is properly channeled, right?
Yes.
Since our brothers were contributing money, how come these other people are now kidnapping our people? Now why? There is only one video marker play here. Man, everything. Because this thing they careful not to paint our people black before the world.
Yes.
You understand? Even as no got impossible. Igbo no ekucha everything from A to Z. Well. Mana can just get this thing. If not that all everything can get go to channel internet, can has resume complete. Imakwe ihe bụ na ebuta moto ndị mmadụ ekidnapụta ndị mmadụ ewuta materials agba ya ọkụ turn ya to scrap rezie ya asa akpakara. Imana this things na ga on.
It did eji mama na na on. Enwere onye so nwa ha dia ma na onye so ma ihe na-eme na isi na onye ahụ onye okwu asị.
Ngwa ole enyemaka gị nwa ga-enya akwa iwe onye Imo.
Onye Imo.
Okay. Ole enyemaka gị nwa mara ị ga-enyenwu onye ọbụla ga-enyenwu ka enwe n'ike kwụsị no this particular thing nke a na-egbuzi our people both from the army and from the other side. What we want now is solution, the uttermost end of this.
My brother, ask me now. Say, how to dialogue this matter. If it's from both these our governors, because almost more points in the team and in talking which other can ever here now deka this governor of all their own business thing, yeah, because one shop then this thing now just like the kind of business now their shop. They will not allow that thing to happen. Here who's doing none of this problem. Government, I can have there. I can claim the IPOP again there. So the only solution of this is now the two party a dialogue and a solution to stop this thing. But you will say I don't run from federal that is will stop wire. Because if this will keep on clean from their side, the other group will keep on laying ambush and fighting them. So the only solution this is now both group up from Kending IPOP one or Kending Kebino or Kending whatever how and the Nigeria government dialogue this matter. And the dialogue this matter now got chief from our governors. But now they are not saying anything. What the governor put on my brother, if you want to India attack in the villages, Boko Haram say another would say her name.
Otundo le Sabia attacks.
Indiami now. Indiami. They don't come there. That's Hana Abia no as a oh here.
Okay, let him talk now. Help one, let me drop your call now. Help one, call somebody in those areas where you gave me information this morning that we may be able to also add this to the word Kowajanya on Tihawe. We just want to hear from somebody from those areas.
Okay, my brother.
Please do your best to reach out to them just immediately.
Okay.
And let me also say this in clear notes. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu may not be able to control these guys if he comes out. Believe what I'm telling you. Hello. Yeah, Governor Zogu is my name. Good morning. I am on live section, sir. Okay, you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Can you tell my brother? Good morning. I'm going to sit down.
There were.
There my brother.
There were.
I'm enjoying it based on Ghana in state time. And what only must take support to this kind of across Ghana our side. Because I always tell people that mother didn't make support in Ojo. We find a scenario about for women now. You understand?
Yes.
So when you see batting now achieving, everybody have to speak out. Because insecurity is just like a disease. It has no boundary. It can escalate.
Yes.
So when you allow batting to always you all one will give you the pain in future. And that's what we are facing right now.
Yes.
Although this security that is happening to Imo State is concerning everybody, both over the both of people. It's not even only in Imo State. Even Anambra people are also facing their own too. So here, the atrocity that are committed by how should I put it? Is it by government? Is it by government? Because I'm not an active member. I won't not behave it at all.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean that I should agree with someone that said that all those things happen. You cannot put blame on them on all those things.
Okay.
I won't be a member at all. I'm not part of them. But that is how I see my own.
Okay.
Because I am not a woman that can with all those things. So, you know, we had above fraction. If you would give away group now, you keep it now. If somebody want to fight you, they might go and create the same group in your own name. Which you are fight together.
Yes.
Like when there was Bagasi, when the Bagasi was doing a very good job, people were happy. And they pushing down, and then they got Hojo and Ali that time. And they got this at that time. As for that time, into Sahegi outside, that is how you still keep here. So the KMS now, another group for now, let them try to corrupt the system of Bakassi. We have to go and bring their own system. Just to tarnish the image of Bakassi. We will matter about Bakassi again. That is how they started the Amante Capella against Bakassi to come into Mela Bakassi. So that is exactly what they did. Listening to the Kano to So the vision of Nnamdi Kanu is not to kill Igbo. The vision of Nnamdi Kanu is not how we Igbo. Because Igbo only will then take a connection in Biafra when I go to. So let's us understand that even you as a governor being like this now, when they tricking
many.
If I have to vote on a created group, if I have to vote on a created group now, you will see that the enemy will come at your back, still create the same group, you show that one against you. Another example of it, this Labour Party, the third time with Aburi and the other man, Papa Bio was in the college. A Papa group we have na society again. So that is exactly what's happening in Igbo State and the Ala Igbo general. So even now, let people stop thinking about negative. Nnamdi Kanu with that sense. Nnamdi Kanu cannot change one.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, my brother. Let's see if we can get a call from those areas. Good morning, my name is Governor Ezioku. I am on live section, please. Thank you, my brother. I am on live session. You want to contribute something? Please go ahead.
The thing is the too bad. And they both say paying so much. Cake and mother borrowing me a one for Igbo. You would on more here. Naked nap and dinky, Nibu and dinky. In the name of non agitation.
Or tag Hasabo. You go ha tag Yagi Sabo, tag Yagi Sabo immediately ha target warlog.
Exactly. Which is totally bad. Okay, for you danger. In my widest imagination, I believe him like say last 10 years, I believe on the name and Igbo name now. The way I need to carry on and so one knock at Cambodia, say Canada Igbo be as we can fresh something. You can't advertise each other binaka. But I imagine you
please, your network is bad. Your network is bad there. I don't know. All right. You cannot control anybody that has slept with AK-47 for 365 days. Except when there are rules and guide. And that organization or rules should be older. Hello? I will explain this shortly. Hello? Good morning. My name is Governor Ezioku. I am on live section. Do I have a permission to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. Please go ahead.
Okay. I'm going to be I go down. I went to now, only with them and the bind enough we here with one artery. Governor Ezioku at World Security something index as a 2017, 2018, 2019. Now, Cotton Southeast Zone is the most secured and peaceful place before as 2020. 2020 IPOB began training in the ESN to counter Fulani herdsmen cash with a plan. When they released the ESN 2021, from 2021 to today, instead of finding peace and war, get the essence of ESN. Cow one. Come with my village, Anambra. By Nafado, email our town union PG and security. By then, 2021 ending, we were talking about KSU security. People now buying, then we go security and Ala Igbo, which is secret. More billionaire to her. Security and Ala Igbo. Get contact number. Nobody could give me. Get their office address. Nobody can give me. That security and Ala Igbo had a claim. Bukwa ESN. Governor Ezioku, do not any IPOB member contact address of ESN in case anyone got wrong. Draw her name of one ESN member I are saying the name ya, neighbor Jeffrey, in case only defaulters. Do not have their head office. Only the Jekuru, only you for the meeting. Security book.
If they misbehave, that's the point there.
Only such thing. Iya gwara anyị bụ na ha nọ n'ime ọhịa and they know everything. Ihe ọbụla anyị fụ na aga wrong, ha fụgara wrong, that will tackle it. Then how will I report my own case? Nobody gave such idea. That is Nnamdi Kanu's IPOBESN. Then I personally more against it in my community. But because of my community, almost every Igbo man is brainwashed. I'm being sincere to you. Let me not say everybody. Let me say 70% of Igbos are brainwashed. Before Dokuto, you know, no puchara, I ain't tell story naga until you end up with never. Immediately, I would turn the ears and not awkward hobo. Couple say, "Oh, Kilina Gatara." One way into it, when they be for a country or a state, and we're a non-state actor, now arm people to go and secure people without it backfire. But not possible because non-state actor cannot control those arms. Even the security government form, they make na wrong. Sometimes, opposite nke non-state actor form, kiyasina no hebito coas na nobody. When to read the when I got now, it comes up Manu Nnamdi, or one of his strongest man, Oja strike his saboteurs, as so called, as we call them too. Who is gentle? He comes to gentle woman. He comes to now on as he comes to 2-4. Gentle is the reason why Okigwe is not safe today. Who is Mike Arinze? The articulator with the council. Who is Kasia Double Lion? They are with the council. Remember when the council died? Ogani bụ the leader, bụ the Lord and Savior of Igbo land. Purusi na 2,000 heads were buried here. He comes up the video, the broadcast online. After me, I put on the hand with it. Can't you look? Get the case in the head to Mazi, Nienda. Whether no one be the reason now, no one fully aware, no one how personal business here. Let me still tell you something. Nnamdi will be the wisest tribe in the world. Guys say to believe. But you many Igbo. Now go see not the kind of the most foolish tribe in the world to believe that an individual will give us a country.
Do you know? Sorry, I want to come in here. Because Eba na ayoko kesi eba ho yokwa. Do you know that na promota na elendi Igbo na this social space? Abiaruo my village grapụrụ ala. Chere were ala nye private individual. Bunch of idiots agbapụo na social media na jubilate na be develop room ngo ala.
Have you seen anywhere to develop from the
Nna kowa na ya private business mmadụ. And these other individuals, there is no way in history that one of their lineage will not be academically stronger, politically stronger, brighten future more than this particular individual. They will fight back, if not now. Yes. Go and mark my words. I stopped talking about that matter. One day, you know the last thing I did? I went to my village, I reprinted the court judgment, my own kindred win in this case na court. Our brothers in overseas, they said we should reprint all the court judgment and just give it to children. Mbeche, this thing about a very big tool. When we printed this court judgment and we are sharing it, do you know that other people from other villages so na line the thing is we went and printed again and reshared it again. We made them understand Kahabru in their conscience. This thing is like their school certificate in life. And when I read meaning into that, I know that one day, even one of them will backfire. And this man, whom government must have used to come and grab land today, will not even stand the pressure that will come.
Yes, he ran away.
He will run. Now, people refuse to reason or comprehend issues because somebody laid hands on your head and said, "This Chalamge is well with you." You now support now displace here my own people.
Another criminal act in the buying again. It's support people because of the half. I'm here and individuals. I just God. I will lay a God over us. Even when the person is wrong, we will not say it because no one will go with the right. Then, to be sincere, another thing again that will bring a problem away from religion. Although I am a kind of man of the religion, personal thing, private business. I am in my family. I went pastor na Benham. He does his pastor business as a pastor. I want pastor. I'm a Christian, but I am John. I hear but I don't for the name. His own terrain. Let me come back to where I know before. Governor Cantonary Garden. Take a married dendo. Listen, Kata. Sini 2,000 heads. We bury an individual, government, an authorized institution. But I'm going to say it again. You are going to be again according to the House of Rep now very soon. Or you ever now as in the bigger ever government. Only work on after I'm going to sign here. I said that I'm saying what he knew. No wonder. Can't be anybody we are putting on one. Only for me here. Who's supposed to be as a government or as a governor.
This man making sense, so this man making sense. Our people are the reason like human beings. You see, even our people, the most people is careful of now is our people. They can support anything. Evil so far. No, I have to have some more. That evil only can say benefit from it. Now that young man able in my place because of our law with them, my federal house of representative member he send the earlier no be go make peace go with ego near the family can lead the boy justice. That idiot no federal house add them both idiot. That foolish man able to be sick arrest that person about this guy. Okutube for 1 minute. Okutube how to arrest this particular person. Kokurebe Babuo, a citizen. Babuo, the person, one of the persons is representing at the Federal House of Representatives. People are stupid. In fact, I won't give it to Opure itself. I will first check me with a sense. Me merit you will give you go to Opure itself with sugar. People are stupid. Hello. Good morning. I am on live session. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead. People are calling. Go ahead, please. You have 2 minutes so that we'll be able to attend to other calls.
No. I just want to comment for what I've been doing at the same time. So what I want to ask you a question because even some people are getting more data. I was in Nigeria before, so I know how things is there. Some people have no data as of when Nnamdi Kanu was broadcasting on his radio theater. Some people cannot listen to him. So what I want to ask you, can you be able to play some of Nnamdi Kanu clips which we send it to you? So that people now know when they put that time and when they put that time, then they can be able to compare it to what is happening now. Because when this guy started by killing the soldiers, he told them to be killing soldiers, killing people that did not believe in ideology. He said it on live video, and maybe some people did not hear it. So what I want to ask you now, if we send you those clips, videos and audio, can you be able to play it on live video? So those controversies will hear and see what Nnamdi Kanu said and compare it with what's happening now.
I will not play that one. Hence, he's in custody. I will not play that one. Let me respond to this question. I will not play the videos of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now that he's in custody. I will not play that. Reason is this. I'm also of the opinion that he should be released. I'm also of the opinion that he should be released. Yes. Achonka, release here. So I will not play that. I will not play any of his video because Adiga mama, let us not kai here no eba na alu ogu ka peace dey. I will maybe to call him. Oh, please call. So I will not do that. Well, let me block this idiot who just commented. And when you have fake account and you come here, I will block you. If you want to comment, you comment with your real account. If you want to insult Governor Ezeoku, wear your real face so that nchi megi here. Adima akporo mmadu police. Unless obu na iji mmadu ụgwọ or something. Ọ mkpọrọ gị police. Adima eme that one. Ihe m na-eme gị bụ na ihe ụra gị nwụọ. Adima akọ story. Ihe ụra. So far eji m ga-enwetali picture gị, nwetali your real name. Nzutiri nzuri ezo here. Ihe ụra, you die in your misery. Chineke akpọ gị ọkụ that place. Hello. Okay, come to your channel, last speaker. Please go ahead.
Okay. As I was saying before, my man, we into the quarter can the bank see being to my ordinarily. Governor Ezeoku, upon I work I start to go. We're after the Biafra war, only one about it to go. Ego had the Paranekita. I work I start to go with power at the federal level and every other part. I am with the power. Mana Igbo about the election and normal do things and a or say onya on a nyari, onya deep very put on a nyari. My part of Nigeria, Naga shop, what is his business? Tomorrow we complain about or might know anybody not in power where can influence. Or even can also make you to other instead of you going up, you be going down. Let me use for example, one simple no Igbo, a minister of FCT, the small minister of FCT, where I am about the building materials in Abuja today, with the residential area around the area and almost in the Igbo. I'm telling you, and when I talk about what I think can you do another trajectory? For the my sister, I know one man training the US and now I work from Russia. I'm from Russia and it's a part of Yugoslavia or something, former Yugoslavia then. People donated money. We work today, after all. I donated money for IMEP office, their friend office and their Zan offices in almost part of all the Europe. People donated money. None of the office came up because it can. It is a office in the country. Man, people want to buy it, but not where go. It donated money for their friend passports. People were paying.
Le, sir, hold on. Sir, hold on. I don't want to go into the affairs of IPOB. Okay. I'm not. I'm not afraid of any idiot across the world. Let me say this. In fact, one of these days, a man on a village him name a video. Now I got a chairman more every. That's how I do. To tell you now, add him free in my spirit. He may anything, he get nowhere. But the reason why I'm saying this, that I don't want to discuss the particular affairs of IPOB is not as if I'm afraid of anything. No,
it's right. You know, you are right. Right.
I'm only concerned. About lives. Two,
Yes.
Yabruma,
Yes.
I'm a young man, no. I believe in make 47 Kuziran can shaboya now. Oga only carry 10 minutes. Oga carry 10 minutes. You without multipurpose GP. I'm not a daft person. Zim can see me operate in less than 10 minutes. Get me operate. Hapo kwam. Senator he kuzirim. Dossier na my custody. And where something megane. In less than 30 minutes. 20 minutes extra. Eme wagom that in operate. So and when you hear Madoji Caribbean. Otam no now, ahum nine na arụ ọrụ 5 o'clock ahum move kwa ka ahum woko. Enwe ihe anybody ga-emetali n'ụwa that I cannot do. Mana, the reason why I'm saying this thing is so that people will know that Obo Hanwanani with a monopoly of violence. I was born and raised in River State. Ara na-emekwa everybody. Mana, achọrọ m keep that away. Ya bụrụ na ndị Igbo tetụrụ ụra in general one day. Na today na ha chọrọ ịla ha eje block si aboda ha tibe na or maybe you know however they can do it professionally. No human being can oppose it. But you know, for certain individuals they are going happen your own state. You don't know na your own state. Ale so ti na arụ ọrụ. Gine su Imo state ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ that person ọkụ.
Completely. Or you always say,
so that is my own concern. Ya bro ma say ana agba n'Imo ọkụ. Gbakwa n'ebe nke gị nwe ọkụ kwa. Na agbakwa I don't want to name state because already as if I'm wishing them bad. But even Igbo onye Enugu and you are supporting say ka ana agba ọkigwe ọkụ. Chineke ga-akpọ that idiot ọkụ.
Yeah, amen.
Because if person you will fuel who buy your own government house who everywhere about we ọkụ. La anya. My brother. Ihe about Toto. Before the grave of my own mother, before God and nature. In fact, before the throne of the Shanamite, I mentioned him because someone may be Saga. Anybody may influence, not even the idiot Imo. Not even any idiot who senator can influence me. Nobody. Anybody name me influence to speak. But I'm speaking because I am concerned. You know what about a human being? Because anybody want to think in faculty. Sir?
TikTok. Maybe in the TikTok. Instead of names of TikTok handles. But below 20 years. Bucha Kala videos. I seen Hannah Fati for or the Namamonage. Who wanted 20 years? It might be the first time you wore ransom. Na Ala Igbo. Who was there for ransom? One of my friends, Abataran camp. Full boys in the 16, 17 years in the camp.
Okay, a kidnap from Mado. Give the ransom.
Got the ransom. Why did the ransom? Because now, even now, it's to go somehow with the Abidor, Maro for Dundee. Make the call. When a kind of security, we will the work for more positive. Whereby I will broker that. I want to broker that. We do a binary, we put answer. We more here. I can't put when the buying a more. If I buy 4 cars, almost 9 cars in the bar. Mammy, I have 9 future. We end the buying a more. Okay, I've won my car about 18, 17 years in future. We'll get to 4. We'll get to 4 now. Abraham. Where he had a man the mother. Tiburuzuga. Ordinary person knows I said, oh, my God, you're not sent. I can remember those 14 boys, Emery, last time, last 2 years. People were shouting, including me, now they're not sent. When I remember, hey, until kind of day. I have a long way to go, Governor who can go back to after you governor Ezoku, Naskamboka Ezoku, Bonaim a long way to go. Zabagoni me here too much. Some villages now, Wakahinafo, as an Anaro, Yahoo. All the way Yahoo Kahanaro, foreign Arupa, Yenda. Oh, it's Tapatanabale, I send an happy Yahoo. It is a Yahoo covers ya up. Buy him, make it go. On a week, only was again. When I had a meeting getting Gausa. One day, all on Nugasa at some 2 years ago, I think now, goes in Nugasa Burago. Come on, Hannah, me social media again. Ugasa Burago. I talk about I book a behind where which is like a marry here.
My brother, and we be safe in Nigeria. Please cut your call and come back to my live session. Let me show the world or something.
Okay, sir.
I want you guys to watch this thing.
Fúlàní ni ó ní Fúlàní ló ti gbéyàwó ẹ̀ lọ.